678 minus 50% plus taxes. Something not that bad.
Oh guys, we're in Colbert's. We are here at MacArthur Glen outlet. So we just returned the bag of my wife. This is too small. I want bigger bag. We are here. So the bag, very beautiful. Bag. So nice. Colbert's.
60%. Saan yun? Ito po nga, pakita ko na sa inyo. Which one do you prefer? I was telling her po, since it's almost the same price.
Same price yan?
Go with the leather
Konti lang yung different kasi ito leather, ito
Oh, di leather ka na.
mas light to. Eh, sabi niya, ito tinignan niya. Hindi cellphone nga, hindi makapasok.
It's too small.
Sabi
Parang
niya,
coins lang ata pwede ilagay.
malaki-laki na lang kunin mo.
At least ito, pwedeng pang shoulder, pwedeng maging house bag.
Yeah.
And one of our top selling po, usually 30 or 40% lang.
Alin yung 60%?
Yes, pakita ko yung other color. At least kung gusto niyo yung style, meron yung ibang color. Tapos last item po namin, ano? Very eye-catching po.